मुझे था इंतजार जिसके लिए दिल था बेकरार, वो घड़ी आ गई यार। घर से पढ़ के दिखाना है यार, कोरोना को घर बैठे भगाना है यार। यस फ्रेंड्स, हेलो, हाउ आर यू? ओके, I hope you all will be safe. Students, you already know that peoples are lockdowns because of Corona. Do not disturb your study. We are starting video lectures for you. Students, I will keep putting this type of videos every day and then gives some homework related to that topics. So what do you have to do for this? Here, first of all, start this lecture. I have a thought for you. Every day may not be good in your life, but there is something good in every day. So students, never regret a day in life, because good day gives happiness, bad day gives experiences, rest days gives lessons, and best days gives memories. Okay, with this thought, we will start today's lecture, polynomial. Okay, let us start the topic polynomial. What is polynomial? Polynomial, poly plus nomial. Yes students, poly plus nomial. Poly means many and nomials means terms. Then what is a polynomial? An algebraic expression which contains many terms is called polynomial. An algebraic expression which contains many terms is called polynomial. Yes, एक ऐसा algebraic expression जिसमें कई सारी terms हो उसे polynomial कहते हैं. Understand? Okay. Then further we classify the polynomial in two groups. हम polynomial को two groups में divide करेंगे. In the first group based on terms and second group is based on power. Okay. In the first group based on term, there are following types of polynomials. First, one term polynomial, two terms polynomial, three terms polynomial, and more than three terms polynomial. Okay, let's start. A polynomial which contain only one term is called monomial. A polynomial which contain only one term is called monomial. Example 3x, xy, etc. Okay, yes, 3 have only a single term. X contain only a single term. Xy also contain only one term. So all are the examples of monomials. Understand? Second, a polynomial which contain two terms is called binomial. A polynomial which contain two terms is called binomial. Yes, example x plus b. Here this polynomial contain two terms. Students, terms is separated by the plus or minus sign. With the plus or minus sign. Yes, प्लस और माइनस साइन से ही हमें पता लगता है कि यहाँ पे टर्म सेपरेट हुई है, मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड से नहीं. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? हियर सो इन दिस एग्जांपल वी हैव two terms, x and second term is b. So it is the example of binomial. Understand? Third is three terms polynomial. A polynomial which contain three terms is called trinomial. A polynomial which contain three terms is called trinomial. Yes, एक ऐसा polynomial जिसमें three terms होती है उसे हम trinomial कहते हैं. Example x plus by plus c. Students, again we can also put here minus sign. अभी मैंने आपको समझाया था कि प्लस और माइनस साइन से ही पता लगता है कि इसमें कितनी टर्म्स है. Understand? Okay. Then here in this polynomial there are three terms. So it is the example of trinomial, and in this way we can see more if a polynomial contain more than 3 terms, है ना, then it is called polynomial. अगर किसी भी polynomial में 3 से ज़्यादा टर्म होगी तो उसे हम polynomial कहेंगे. ठीक है, ओके, understand? Here another classification of polynomial is based on degree. Based on degree. Degree is also called, degree can be called power. Yes, डिग्री को यहाँ पर पावर भी कहा जाता है या पावर को डिग्री कहा जाता है. ओके, सो हियर वी हैव a lots of type of polynomial based on degree, but in according to our course we have only 4 types of polynomial here. Yes, based 0 degree polynomial, 1 degree polynomial, 2 degree polynomial and 3 degree polynomial. Let's start 0 degree polynomial. A polynomial which highest degree is 0 means an exponential power maximum 0 is called constant polynomial. Then a polynomial which contain a 0 degree is called constant polynomial. Example 3. Yes, students, 3 is a constant polynomial. How can we understood this? We can write 3 as 3x to the power 0. Yes, 3x to the power 0, because we know that if a number contains power 0, then the value of the whole number, exponential number, is 1. So 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Then यहाँ से हम क्या समझे? Then 3 is a constant polynomial. Yes, 3 is a constant polynomial. The second type is 1 degree polynomial. A polynomial, an algebraic expression or polynomial which contain highest power, highest degree is 1, is called linear polynomial. एक ऐसा polynomial जिसकी highest degree कितनी हो? 1 हो, उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? linear polynomial कहेंगे. क्या कहेंगे उसे? linear polynomial. Yes, linear polynomial. And the graphical representation of linear polynomial is a straight line. ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन जो होगा लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल का वो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन होगी इस तरीके से. यहाँ देख सकते हो आप, ये एक स्ट्रेट लाइन है. ओके, लाइन क्या होती है इसके बारे में हम फिर आगे कभी बात करेंगे. ठीक है, हियर द नेक्स्ट टाइप इज 2 degree polynomial. A polynomial which highest degree, highest power is 2 is called quadratic polynomial. एक ऐसा polynomial जिसकी highest degree कितनी हो? 2 हो, उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल, क्वाड्रेटिक एक लैटिन वर्ड है जिसका मतलब होता है 2 डिग्री पॉलिनोमियल. ओके, 2 क्वाड. स्टूडेंट्स, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द ग्राफिकल representation. What is the graphical representation of quadratic polynomial? The graphical representation of a quadratic polynomial is parabola. What is the graphical representation, student? Here graphical representation means इसका जो हम ग्राफ बनाएंगे वो कैसा बनेगा. यानी अगर हम लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल का ग्राफ बनाएंगे तो उसका ग्राफ एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बनेगी. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. एंड अगर हम क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल का ग्राफ बनाएंगे तो उसका ग्राफ एक पैराबोला शेप बनेगी. कौन सी शेप बनेगी? पैराबोला. कौन बोला? पैराबोला. यस, हियर 2 degree polynomial. Example of 2 degree polynomial are ax square plus bx plus c, 3x square plus 2x square, etc. Yes, they all are the examples of 2 degree means quadratic polynomials. Okay, next 3 degree polynomial. A polynomial which highest degree is 3, which contain the highest degree is 3 is called cubic polynomial. Yes, एक ऐसा polynomial जिसकी highest degree कितनी हो स्टूडेंट्स? 3 हो, उसे अपन क्या बोलेंगे? उसे हम बोलेंगे cubic polynomial. Understand? And the graphical representation of cubic polynomial is a curve. तो इसका ग्राफ कैसा बनेगा? एक कर्व शेप बनेगी. देखिए यहाँ पर इस तरीके से बनेगी. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. हियर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ cubic polynomial are 3x cube plus 5x plus 3, 9x square, 9x cube, 7x cube plus 9, x cube, y cube, z cube, etc. Yes, they all are the examples of cubic polynomial. ये सभी यहाँ पर cubic polynomial के examples हैं. Understand? Why they all are the examples of cubic polynomial? Because the highest degree of all the polynomials is 3. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर वेरिएबल की मैक्सिमम पावर कितनी है 1, सॉरी यहाँ वेरिएबल की पावर है 1, यहाँ कोई वेरिएबल ही नहीं है, इसका मतलब यहाँ पर वेरिएबल की पावर है 0 ओके, और यहाँ है 3. बट इन ऑल अगर हम अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन की बात करें तो यहाँ पर हाईएस्ट डिग्री कितनी है 3. सो इट इज एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस इज एग्जांपल ऑफ 3 डिग्री पॉलिनोमियल. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, do you understand well? Okay, our next topic is representation of polynomial. Representation of polynomial. How can we represent a polynomial? एक polynomial को कैसे represent किया जा सकता है, ठीक है? Then here we can represent the polynomial as px, py, pz, etc. यहाँ हम polynomial को px, py, pz इनसे represent कर सकते हैं. Okay? I have an example here, 3x square plus 2x plus 5. 3x square plus 2x plus 5. Students, how can we represent this algebraic expression? We can represent this algebraic expression by px. Why we represent this algebraic expression in px? Because this contains only one variable, which is only x. Understand? Which is only x, and the p means polynomial. P means polynomial. So the best representation of this algebraic expression is px. Understand? Student, I have 2 questions here for you. The answer you can write on the comment. Student, tell me the type of this polynomial based on terms. Means आप मुझे इसका टाइप बताइए टर्म्स के बेस पे. यस, आंसर आप कमेंट में लिख सकते हैं. एंड द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज टेल मी द टाइप्स ऑफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल बेस्ड ऑन डिग्री. टेल मी द टाइप ऑफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल बेस्ड ऑन डिग्री. थर्ड क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट ये है कि what is the graphical representation? What is the name of graphical representation of this polynomial? Means इस polynomial का जो ग्राफ बनेगा उसका नेम आपको बताना है, वो भी कमेंट में. ओके स्टूडेंट, लेट्स मूव on the next topic. The next topic is solution or zeros of a polynomial. Solution or zeros of a polynomial means how can we find solution और zeros of a polynomial. Students, ये zeros क्या होता है ये हम next lecture में पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है? About the zeros we will study in next chapter. Here we have 3 methods for solving a polynomial: by graphical method, factorization method. Factorization method is also called splitting method, and third method is division method. Understand? I have a message for you. This online classes has been started for your help in lockdown. So please use this time because it is a very golden time for you. Mostly those students promoted from 9 to 10 and 11 to 12. So students, utilize this time. Don't waste your time. Okay? And if you have any problem related to maths, you can contact me on my mobile number 9694434388, which is also my WhatsApp number. Okay student, and second message is please strictly follow the rule of government. Stay at home, use sanitize, use mask, and live safe. Okay students, and give your love to this channel as Guru by like, share and subscribe. Thank you.